Hi, I'm Musa Ekaba. I'm a student at Apinel Community College and I'm studying electrical systems technology. All right, so today I'm going to talk about MilSolft. And MilSolft is a software that we use in electrical engineering and power system to model our, our grade, and we can also model like every stage of the grade, like from distribution, generation, transmission, and everything. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. So MilSolft is the parent company, but WindMil is the software that we actually use to do the modeling. So I'm going to go ahead and open WindMil and open one of my projects that I work on right now for my final graduation here. And then we can see how we model these things and how important it is to do this modeling and see all this information uh, while you are making plans for your system. All right, so this is my system that I built, and I did install. So I have a source, and this source is my substation source, and then I did install a transformer in there, and then we have nodes, of course, and then I did install a regulator in there, voltage regulator, and then I have overhead transmission line, and then I have underground transmission line, and then I have more overhead transmission line, and then I did install a model at some of the load, and then I also have more transformer in here. So what's important about MilSolft is you can also get this information like voltage information, current information, and regulator information, and also you can get information about voltage drop and everything going through this system, and you can run it and you can actually see how everything is connected and what load you need. And if you come here and click on this, you can actually see all the information you need, and you can of course edit information. You can change this information to reflect what you want to do. So right now this is a Y to Y connection, line connection, and it's a 115 kV generation facility, and so that's our source. And then of course once the power is generated from that facility, generation facility, of course we have a transformer installed in here to step up the transformer, to step up the voltage. And then so we can actually do a lot of calculations, and we can change a lot of things from this transformer so that it actually serve as a step up or step down transformer. And we can change the transformer rating as well. And then you can also come to the regulator, and then you can see all the information about the regulator and how that also helped in a transmission system. And then of course we have the nodes, also that's the regulator still. And then we have nodes, like this is node 1 and how that applies to the system. And so you can also just click on voltage drop calculation, and then it will actually give you all the calculations and everything, that all the changes that you made. So MilSolft is very important in WindMil in general, and you can actually also see the direction of power flow in here if you wanted to model it that way. And you can model a lot of things in MilSolft, so it's a very important program. And you can even show the land base and how it's going to actually affect the communities that you are building your underground lines or your overhead lines. And so this is very useful too.